Hi everybody, I am Ayushi. I am a yoga teacher with a 500 hours yoga teachers training certification as well as a master's degree in yoga. Although I teach all age groups, but my personal favorite is teaching yoga to kids. Now in this yoga course, Yoga for a Healthy Body and a Happy Mind, this is how we will be proceeding. Each session would start with a warm-up, followed by some breathing exercises to increase the lung capacity as well as to increase concentration levels and reduce hyperactivity in kids. After that, we will be doing some yoga postures in the form of a narrative. So instead of doing each posture and telling kids to do this posture and that posture, there is a narrative and all the yoga postures are a part of that narrative so that the kids do the postures and they feel completely involved. They do not get bored at any point. After the yoga postures, we will be doing some relaxation techniques, some meditation techniques, and after that there will be a moral story so that we're not just working on physical and mental health of kids, but we're also helping them become better people in the future.
Run up to Tommy, run with me, run. As possible, knees on the mat, fingers.
So I hope to see your kids in this yoga course. See you then. Bye.